What's up, health buffs? Let's talk about something we all do, coughing. Coughing is your body's superpower for cleaning the lungs and airways. It helps clear out irritants like dust, smoke, and mucus. There are two types of coughs, non-productive or dry coughs and productive or chesty coughs. Dry coughs don't bring up mucus, while chesty coughs do. But here's a key thing to remember. If you have a cough that lasts for more than 3 weeks, it could be a sign of a health problem, so don't ignore it. Keep an eye on your coughs and always listen to your body. Stay healthy, stay informed, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips.